Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most fascinating chapters of biology, the nervous system. Have you ever wondered how quickly your hand moves away when you touch something hot? Or how your brain tells your body to run, jump, or even smile? Well, all of that happens because of this super fast communication network inside you, your nervous system. So stay with me till the end, because today we will explore the structure of the nervous system, how reflex action happen, and most importantly, how a nerve impulse actually travels inside your body. Let's go. So, the nervous system is like the body's control and communication network. It helps us receive information, process it, and respond accordingly, all in just a fraction of a second. It is broadly divided into two main parts. The central nervous system, CNS, made up of brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS, all the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body makes the peripheral nervous system. Now the brain acts like the command center. It thinks, decides, and controls. What about the spinal cord? Now it works like a quick messenger, sending instructions to different parts of the body, and it also handles the reflexes. Coming to the nerves, they are like the electrical wires that connect the brain and spinal cord to sense organs and muscles. Now, who does all this messaging work inside the nervous system? Meet the neuron, the star of our story. A neuron is a nerve cell, and it's the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Each neuron is made up of three parts: cell body or cyton, which contains the nucleus and other organelles; the dendrites, these are short branched fibers that receive messages; and the axon, a long fiber that carries messages away from the cell body. When you join thousands and thousands of neurons together, they form a network that keeps our body functioning smoothly. And here's something fascinating. Neurons don't actually touch each other. There's a tiny gap between them called the synapse, where chemical messengers help pass the impulse from one neuron to another. Now let's talk about something that happens without even thinking, the reflex action. You touch something hot and instantly your hand pulls back. You didn't even stop to think, right? That's because a reflex action is an automatic, quick, and involuntary response to a stimulus. It helps protect us from danger. And the pathway through which the reflex action travels, it's called the reflex arc. Here's how it works. The receptor in your skin detects the stimulus, that is the heat in this case. The message travels through a sensory neuron to the spinal cord. The spinal cord processes it and sends a command through a motor neuron. And finally, the effector, that is your hand muscle, responds, and you pull your hand away. All this happens even before your brain realizes it. Isn't that amazing? Transmission of nerve impulse. Now for the most exciting part, how does a nerve impulse actually travel through a neuron? Let's understand the three main stages. polarization, depolarization, and repolarization. Imagine the neuron like an electric wire that sends signal using ions, which are very tiny charged particles. So in the polarization stage, which is also called the resting stage, when the neuron is at rest, the inside of the membrane is negatively charged compared to the outside. This is called the resting potential. The neuron is ready but not sending any message yet. Now, the next stage is depolarization, when the neuron becomes excited, or called the excited stage. So when a stimulus arrives, the sodium ions rush into the neuron, making the inside positive and the outside negative. This is the active, excited state, and the nerve impulse is generated. What about this? After this, the repolarization or the recovery stage. After the impulse passes, the potassium ions move out and the neurons return to its resting condition, ready to send the next message. So the impulse travels along the axon like an electrical wave, jumping from one neuron to another through synapses until it reaches the brain or the target muscle. So let's quickly recap. The nervous system controls and coordinates all body activities. The neuron is its basic working unit. Reflex actions protect us from harm, and the transmission of nerve impulse is an electrochemical process involving polarization, depolarization, and repolarization. Your body is truly like a supercomputer, and your neurons are its electric circuits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really motivates me to make more such videos for you. And if you are new here, subscribe for more fun and easy explanations of biology chapters just like this one. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious.